famous Manipur snacks. Here you put some, wrap it, and let's go in. The bukangs. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you see today, we are going to have a low budget mukbang. Ho ho ho. Here we got taro and fermented bamboo shoot. Ayan, kahapahimo. Ayan, then tomato salt. We have salt and cucumber. And here we got a very famous Manipur snacks. Did you know? Jihi banggan to aduda ngari malta mixo jihi jeng soman but very tasty. And when we have cabbage, a big cabbage, okay? And we have oppa here, oppa jindagi, and water, and some lettuce, and my rice. First of all, let's pray. Dun. Today my rice is black because we are going to eat bukangs. What? Bukang. Very black bukangs. Ho ho ho. Dun. I just want to keep out this one. Very many. But yeah, let's do this, girls. It's a low budget mukbang, okay? We say that it's a low budget mukbang, but for us it's very difficult to buy even taro 1 kg, barley 1 kg. How much is this? A pipe 50 oil baniko. Okay, let's have our first bite. Okay, the samosas are floating here. Let's have our first bite, okay? Cheers. Masti ya. The bukangs. Let's have this. I'm gonna show you how to eat this. And then kopi nakatawa 10 rupees. I think it's going to be spicy. Here you put some, wrap it, and let's go in. So good. Let's have one more. So yummy. A little bit more salt. but it's spicy. Okay da. Sihin na hao pa sa lere. Perfect. I don't know why I keep on doing like this. Let's hit it. I'm so poor these days, you know. I can't even afford meat to eat. Ooh. Very not smart what happened. Yeah. This is buka. If you are from Manipur and if you do not try this, go and try. If not, I'm gonna get you out from Manipur. Hao ba na không bạn? Sẽ hi na hao ba so lấy cái này, adu hi na hao ba so lấy rồi. Cái này là hay ba tôi ina, cái miếng ta đây. Oh no. Let's try this, okay? Ito yan. Marok sai hey. Khôi xí đi marok yang paman deh. Not bad. Pan cha ba si yam hao. I'm a lover of pan. The Moscow people are doing concert. I don't know why the Moscow people, they have function a lot. Function ngân sang hiến mà bằng thì đều đang cái kiếm qua. Mmm. I don't want to eat this part. I don't know why. You gotta hold me. They're singing because I'm just falling. Okay, let's hit that. Pinapanga ba ito rin yun ito. This is soybean. Fermented bamboo shoot. Dito. You know what? If we eat taro, you don't have to chew your food. It's going directly to your stomach. That is the reason why I love taro. Last hit, okay? Cheers, guys. Ay, magsaya. Video to zingen chang event to ni so. Okay, let's hit this, the last baby. I hit this, the bangkat pat, the kung pat. A little bit of salt, and this is going to be our last hit. Yeah, okay, bukit went off. How banya? I could get Manipur chapot sako. Okay guys, we are done with our meal again, and I already have all my lipstick. Okay, let's end it here, and it is a good meal. It's low budget but very good meal. Ma, tuy cái đôi cho ai bị bằng ta sagop ấy rồi nên ngọc bị ham cái sáng này là number one it went. But I don't have money to buy meat, dry meat or dry fish, but it's still yummy. I just add fermented fish more. Okay, keep supporting and give thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, let's end it here and bye. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's